Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about how to create a product animation video ad in Canva. So it's about video ads. So first of all, we go here and we go to templates, then just press video, and here we can just put ads. So you can see that there's a lot of video ads for your product here in Canva. So let's say that we are selling uh let's say watches here. So here we can see a video ad here that shows watches. So here it's like a normal video editor. We have some elements, we have some layers just like CapCut. But here, since it's already plug and play, you can just edit it. Say if you want another watch, just or another design, just get whatever design you want or whatever watch you want, and say just we can just replace it. Say this one, we want that one, and you can just replace the templates and the font. Say 30% or 30 off. 30% off. There we go. Then maybe change it to the name of your company. Let's say time pieces. There we go. Then changes your site, and you can make a lot of customization changes to this video. Then once done, you just click play. It will look like something like this. Since we don't have animations here, we can add animations. Go to animate and just put any animations you want. So it will look like something like this. Okay, so let us play. There we go. Then we just put this to your Facebook page or any marketing website that you want. So that's how easy it is to create a design with Canva or product ads with Canva. Yeah, as you can see that there's a lot of elements or templates for the ads here. We can do this as well. Just add like other more designs here. You can see that it's still running, and you hear that there are more designs. There we go. So once again, that's how you make ads with Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and please hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.